So in today's video, I want to talk to you about CapCut and how you can use CapCut as a solution to create your SRT files for the videos that you've recorded. So I've got the desktop version of CapCut on my computer. It's really easy to go, just go to CapCut.com, click download and download it for your Mac or your XP depending on what you use. And of course, if you're not using CapCut, I've dropped a link below this video. So what is an SRT file and what do you need it for? So let's just jump quickly into YouTube. So when you're uploading a video, YouTube encourages you to add the subtitles. It's also very useful as a way of the algorithm little bot thing reading what your video is about. And you can add it here as an SRT file. I've already got one in here, and as you can see, it gives me the text. So when people turn on the text subtitle option on your video, they'll be able to see the correct spelling and the correct text. But how do you actually get that for your videos? Well, this is where CapCut comes in. So we'll jump into the CapCut editor on my desktop, which is here. And all you need to do is add your video. So I'm going to click Create Project, and it's going to open up the CapCut editor here. So I have a file that I did this morning. This is the video file. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click that file and drag it into the import area. Now that video file is on my screen, all I need to do is pop that down here into the main timeline area. And I want to just pull off the SRT file captions. So the first thing I need to do is I need to create a caption file. So you come up here to this area here where it says captions. Don't worry about all of this because we're not using the software to actually burn the subtitles onto our video. We're using it as a way of getting the file off. So go ahead and generate those captions. CapCut will generate them for you, and then in a second I'm going to show you how to download the SRT file, which means that you can upload that to your YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how to download the text file of your video so that you can use it in ChatGPT to help you create your video description, your keywords, and even come up with a title from the content that you've created. If you want to watch that video, then smash the subscribe button because that will be the next video that I share with you in this CapCut series. Okay, so now my video has the subtitles created. We just go into my video a little bit. You can see there's the subtitles. So now what I want to do is I want to remove the SRT file on its own. So all you need to do is you need to come up to where it says File, Export, and then you get this option. So first of all, I don't want the video in the file, I don't want the audio. Scroll down and you have the caption. So I'm just going to change this to SRT file, and then I'm going to name this video SRT1 just for my use. You can choose where it goes. So if you have a habit of losing your files when you download them, just click this file here and it will let you choose. So I'm just going to put this into my downloads. Click open and it will make sure that when you save a file from your CapCut editor, it will always go into that downloads file. So just click export and it will export just the SRT file. There you go. As you can see, it's done. If I open the folder, you can see here, this one, that the video SRT file is here. Now I also want to bring off the text file. So all we need to do now again is go File, Export, scroll down, and instead of having the SRT file, we just click Export Text File, click Export, and it will export that file for you. If I open the folder, you can see that there's now the text file. So that's all you need to do in order to take the captions from your video using the CapCut editor, create your SRT file, and then they're ready for you to upload into your video on your YouTube channel in this subtitle area. So my name's Anita Wong. Thanks for watching this video. Do give me the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you want to watch more CapCut videos, there will be more in this series that you'll be able to find on my channel. And of course, if you want to try CapCut for free, I've dropped a link to it below this video so you can give it a go yourself. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.